Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For our title, first of all, my name is Muhammad Amirul Amir bin Rosizam, and my matric number is CD 170 and 171.
Okay, my name is Zainal Arifin Zainal Abidin. My metric number CD170168.
For our project, our title is a flow characteristic for cross ventilation in a generic isolated building equipped with different place of lower. So for introduction, study conduct cross ventilation simulation in an isolated building fit with loop and internal test and computer fluid dynamics. Secondly, the opening position may therefore have significant impact on indoor airflow, air shift, and pollutant dispersion. The airflow rate was lower in the building with the lower portion of the facade having opening in the middle or top or the facade in the building. So for our problem statement, first of all, insufficient air going through to the ventilation because of not suitable place of lower. Second, the poor indoor air quality that affect the flow that going through the lower. So for our objective, first to determine the airflow pattern with different position of lower. Then to determine the airflow pattern with slack angle 50 degree and 30 degree of lower. Next, to compare the airflow pattern with different position of lower and different angle of slack. So for our scope study focus for airflow that going through the air ventilations. There were 4 simply model for our ventilation with different place of lower, which are configuration up, configuration down, configuration up down, and configuration center. Third, the angle 50 and 30 degree is used for slack angle of plate for ventilations. We assume 3D steady state is considered. So our study focus on RAG K epsilon and SST K omega model. So for geometry modeling, okay, for the size of air ventilation is 150 millimeter cube. So for lower, so for figure 3.1, lower at the center and 3.2 lower at upper. So this is a configuration center and configuration upper. Next, for figure 3.3 shows that the lower at down. So this is a configuration down. So for figure 3.4, lower up down. So we can see that this is a configuration up and down for figure 3.4. Okay. So before we start meshing, we must need to do a GIT. So the table below shows that result of error obtained from GIT. So when mesh is 0.063 millimeters, so the element is 47868 and the knot number is 9650. So and the stiffness max is 0.86911 and the velocity is 0.481. So at 0.062, the element is 49739 and knots number is 10011 and stiffness max is 0.8717. So and the velocity is 0.425 So the error is just 3.6%. As we can see that when 0.061, the error become more bigger. So for the suitable meshing is 0.0062 millimeter. So during meshings, the best from GIT that we obtain, we use 0.062 millimeter. So this figure is during ANSYS software, which we using 19.2 ANSYS. So we obtain the mesh size is 0.062. So for the step, we assume the model is at the steady. So this is K epsilon and K omega. Okay, we assume that RAG and SST at the model. So for translational no slip standard moving wall, we choose top wall. For stationary wall no moving, we choose a back, bottom and wall center free part. So for specific shear standard, we choose left and right. Okay, for boundary conditions, there were 15 degree and 30 degree for all configurations. So in inlet, the fluid is air, and we assume the velocity is 0.3 millimeter per second. We assume based on the previous study. So for temperature wall we assume 27 degrees Celsius. So at the outlet, the pressure is 0 Pascal. Thank you.
And next, for the verification model, which is from the previous study. Based on the previous study, we choose the RNG K epsilon and SST K omega model to be verification our method. Based on verification method, we figure out that there is a few error, which is 10.7% error obtained from the verification method. The error obtained is for both with RNG K epsilon and SST K omega. And based on our result obtained for the slat angle 50 degree with RNG K epsilon, for the center, the highest velocity inside the air ventilation is 0.407 meter per second, and for the up is the highest velocity is 0.424 meter per second. Based on this result, we can figure out that the velocity with from the different place of the louver will increase and lower for each model. And for the down, the highest velocity is 0.45 meter per second. And for the up and down louver, we obtain that the highest velocity is 0.425 meter per second. From the counter, we figure out that for the place of the louver up and down, the airflow pattern flow through the all inside the air ventilation. Okay, next we run with the RNG SSTK epsilon SSTK omega. Based on the result, we figure out that for the center up, down, and down, we figure out that for the last model, which is the place of lower up and down, has a better flow, is because the concept show that the flow the wine flow inside the ventilation across all the area. For the slant angle 30 degree with RNG K epsilon, we figure out the wine flow up and hit the top wall of the air ventilation and make the velocity inside the air ventilation quite higher. Based on the result obtained for RNG K epsilon with slant 30 degree angle, we figure out that down place of the louver has a good airflow inside the air ventilation because the flow has full inside the air ventilation. For the slant angle 30 degree for with SST K epsilon K omega, we figure out that the center of the louver has a better airflow inside the air ventilation, and based on the result obtained for the slant angle 30 degree, we figure out that the velocity inside the air ventilation quite high than the angle 15 degree, and based on our previous study, we find out that the highest velocity inside the air ventilation should not be, because it will prevent a damage to other part inside the building. And based on the comparison, the result RNG K epsilon and SST K omega, SST K omega produce high value of velocity than RNG K epsilon. And based on this study, the different value might because of the formula that used for the calculation that we set. And based on the counter result, for the angle of slant 30 degree produce good airflow inside the air ventilation because most of the area inside the air ventilation is full with the airflow. But the high angle of slant made their air difficult to enter the air ventilation. And for the conclusion, the main objective from this study is achieved where to determine the airflow pattern with the different position of the louver. And based on this study also, we can determine the airflow pattern with slant angle 50 and 30 degree of louver. And lastly, based on our objective, we achieve that to compare the airflow pattern with the different position of the louver and different angle of slant. Based on this study, we obtained that 50 degree of slant is produce good airflow inside the air ventilation with the louver placed at down but produce a bit low of velocity inside the air ventilation. And lastly, based on the comparison counter between the different place of the louver, RNG K epsilon and SST K omega model, and based on the result obtained, SST K omega produce more high value of velocity than RNG K epsilon. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.